bug crawling up my leg. That was funny. It came like. Got a big present from our Getting Saucy friends from Canada, and they said since Canada Day is coming up soon, then they got us a whole bunch of Canadian presents, and they also gave us some Kinder Surprise eggs, and Taylor's super excited, and I love Kinder Surprise eggs! So we did meet them at VidCon. If you didn't go see that video, go check it out. It'll be in the links below. And so we're just gonna go ahead and open these up because Taylor's so pumped. So which one are you starting with, Tay?
I'm starting with this one.
This one? These were in boxes and we took them out.
We're gonna open one. Yay! I mean two. I mean one. Oh my goodness, my chocolate just went flying off. My goodness, not messy.
We've already tried one.
Yeah, the chocolate is delicious, by the way.
And so we're gonna show
you
guys
to get these
those presents soon. Look, mine just came off.
You're lucky. Mine didn't. Some of it just did.
Oh my gosh!
What? Oh darn! I got one of the building ones. Of course
I got this guy. It's the double thing that I was talking about. Like it's a penguin and a rhino.
Show us up close.
Okay, so it's a rhino.
Oh, I see.
The ears and the horn. And it's a penguin.
Apparently my guy is supposed to look like this.
Okay, so Olivia got a double animal. And I didn't quite understand. But here you have a penguin, and there's his little flippers. And then how is it a rhino?
Just like,
oh yeah, I see now, I see. And then here is a cute rhino. That is the cutest thing ever.
Okay, next Kinder Surprise egg. I'm doing Star Wars,
and
she
I'm
doesn't have
doing this princess one.
Yeah,
I want to try and just get it like half. Nope, that didn't happen. It melted in the car. And it is opening. Ooh, I like these. I've seen these on videos.
Oh yeah, there's Barbies. Oh, that's a princess.
Yeah, it's a princess.
I just totally forgot.
Totally.
I'm really getting Chewy.
Huh?
And I got Yoda. Actually, I got Chewy!
She got Chewbacca!
I got Chewy! Oh, and they built it for me. Built it for me.
I can't believe I got Chewy! This is what I got. I got Miss Aurora, and I don't think I put her feet on.
And I got an egg.
But I got Aurora. And my
beautiful.
Oh, so now we're gonna open up our girls Kinder Surprise egg.
Oh my goodness, it just came up right off almost. I just barely squeezed it. Oh, this is so adorable.
Oh, we got the same exact thing. That's funny.
Yeah.
But they're really cute.
Yeah.
So these are the last two Kinder eggs.
The girl.
Yeah, we're gonna open these each, but we're sharing these.
Yeah.
Because one's a boy.
Oh, these are
and one's a girl.
Oh, these are
We had to put them in the
freezing.
freezer because
Oh my goodness, look at mine.
Whoa.
Frozen.
Because they were melted. Because they were in the sun. Understandable.
Ow. That hurt. I'm getting the trash on. Oh, I got it. We got the turtle, Olivia. It's a turtle.
We got a dinosaur.
Yeah, yours has. How many pieces does yours have, Olivia?
Olivia, this is what she looks
5.
like.
Oh, that's cute. Look at Tay. This is our new collection. Thank you to the Gettin Saucy sisters. We love these toys. And Taylor was very happy to get them. She's been waiting her whole life. So, my favorite one is the penguin and the rhinoceros. Which one is yours, Taylor?
My favorite one is this one. Well,
Oh.
this
Turtle?
one is both, but this one is mine. That's my favorite.
So now we're going to open up the rest of our gift.
Yeah.
We got these.
Yeah.
First of all, they gave us these and we thought they were so cool.
Yeah.
Taylor was very excited to put them on. Second, they gave us, hold this too. They gave us these little wands.
Bippity boppity boo.
And these
Well,
are
that's
really,
cute.
really cool. Because look, they have the leaf that's on their flag as well. Just like the little headband.
A maple leaf.
Or maple leaf.
That's what it
And
says, maple leaf.
here's yours.
We have a flag. Dun, 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 dun.
How about Oh Canada?
Oh,
Canada, oh Canada, the sweetie house.
Not really.
Oh no, I'm
Hickory sticks.
I'm scared.
Original.
scared to try these.
Me too.
I'm scared that because it tastes yucky. If I do, we need water after.
It smells like potato chips.
Ugh. I like these. These are good.
Oh, really good. So good. Old Dutch.
Ew. I'm scared. Can I open this one?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh my. They smell like barbecue chips. Oh my goodness. Ah!
Ketchup. Not bad.
Ugh. I don't like them that much.
On a
Mama,
scale
try
of
one.
1 to 10.
A 5.
5. Mama, try.
5 means it's
I
pretty
think
good,
it's
Tay.
Oh, she must like it.
Actually, I gave it a 6.
Olivia, look at this one.
That's cool. I was
We should
thinking
save these for later.
those would be good at a baseball game, and then the bag is like a baseball.
Okay, and they gave us these tattoos, which we'll put on soon.
Those are really good.
Cool.
These are probably my favorite.
It was. Okay. They gave us these.
Candy.
What is it? What does it say?
It says candy.
No, it doesn't. It says Smarties.
Oh.
I'm not sure if it actually is a Smartie.
You should open them.
Well, it's actually a Canadian Smartie, not an American Smartie.
Okay, I'm opening mine.
All right.
Cool.
make last.
Oh, awesome. Whoa. Mmm. These have chocolate in them.
Mmm.
This is
like
what
an
it looks
M&M.
like inside.
It's like an M&M.
And look, you can tear it all the way. See? But I like to keep mine like this.
1 to 10.
Oh my. I got with
A 9.
A 9.
actually 5, 6.
A 6, so it's almost as good as the chips, or a little better than the chips?
Yeah.
Cool.
Actually, the chips are probably 8.
I love Smarties.
We got Smarties.
Not Smarties, they're called.
Oh my goodness! That's wild. I wonder if that's why they did that. Now, let me see the package.
So they're pretty much Smarties.
They probably taste like Smarties.
Smarties are my favorite.
Yeah. Can I try it? It doesn't that much at first. Mmm.
I like it.
They're a little more not like Smarties, but they're really good.
They're exactly like Smarties.
And then little.
Wait, ready? Taylor, 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to blow on the side. So thank you to Getting Saucy for all these wonderful gifts. What was your favorite, Taylor?
Mine was. I don't really have a favorite.
Pick 2.
I actually have 3.
Okay.
4. That one, and that one.
So everything that they gave us other than the Kinder Eggs because we weren't.
I love the Kinder Eggs.
We weren't.
What?
I told you just everything but the Kinder Eggs and you said
I love the Kinder Eggs.
I love the Kinder Eggs. Everything but the Kinder Eggs. And then she goes, I said you Oh my god, thank you, not in the video. She says everything. I said, no, you can pick 2. She goes, wait, I had 3. No, I had 4. That one, that one.
And the Kinder Surprise Eggs.
She's smart. She's smart. She's like, it's not everything. I didn't say everything. I said that one, and that one, and that one.
And Kinder Surprise Eggs.
Why is it so funny whenever I say Kinder Surprise?
This is everything. Okay.
Everything.
So Olivia, what was your favorite?
My favorite were the hickory sticks and the Smarties, even though they're not actually Smarties. But so thank you again to the Getting Saucy sisters. Comment down below if you've ever had any other international candies. Please like and subscribe. And by the way, we were this close to getting to 400 subscribers, so please get us there. And bye!